Alright, well, I got this the other day off of Amazon, and it's a pretty cool little thing. After the first time using it, this happened. So I think what happened is the seal popped inside of it. It still works, but it's like the shaft's loose inside of the pump there, so probably needs to be adjusted and the seals need to be fixed or something. But there is usually on bike pumps, you can just take them apart and fix them. But this one, if it'll focus, there you go. There are little holes on it. Maybe there's a specialist tool or something to take it apart, although I don't think there is, because I don't think it comes apart. But usually on all the style bike pumps that I've had in the past, you can take them apart and repair the seals on them and just do maintenance on them, really. But this, I don't know if you can do any of that stuff on, so it would be very nice to find out if you could, in fact, take it apart and repair it. But it's a cool little pump. Works alright, it's not amazing, but it still works. Yeah. Kind of sucks that that happened after the very first use. But I'm not sure if other people's pumps did the same thing, but I just figured I'd let you know.
So sometimes I pull the pump out of my bag here, and then, the handle extends, and sometimes it's a little annoying. It's not a big deal, but every now and then I pull it out and it gets caught and the handle extends, so, put a little rubber band on the end of it here. So, right there. There you go. Doesn't come out. Then if I need it, just pops right out and you can pull the rubber band off. It's a simple fix there. It works. Yep, works.
Here's what I'm talking about. Here's the pump. So no matter what I do, it's rattling like that all the time. So something internally is in there and it just won't stop rattling. Just imagine that while you're riding.